Hello everyone, welcome to Court with Krissy. Up first, I have double defendant arraignment clips because they say life is better with a partner in crime. And speaking of partners in crime, the last clip, if she was my partner, I'd probably have a rap sheet too. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. We have Kenneth Toller and Megan Dennis. Ms. Dennis and Mr. Toller, good morning. I'm seeing you at the same time because your cases are basically identical for first appearance purposes. Each of you has been accused of violating the terms of your state probation. You have a no bond warrant signed by the circuit judge. Mr. Toller, you also do. So you're going to be held with no bond until you get to circuit court and try to get these allegations against you resolved. I want to get you arraigned today because I want to get you a lawyer appointed if that's what you want. Mr. Toller, do you want to have an attorney appointed to represent you, sir?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Dennis, same question.
Yes, sir. Mine was drug court, so am I still gonna go on the 10th and have Derek Blunt, right?
Correct. I already told you that.
Yeah.
April 10th.
Yeah, that's fine.
Whether they kick you out of drug court or not, I would be. But I'm gonna get you a lawyer appointed, so I'm gonna appoint the public defender's office to represent both of you. So listen to Mr. McDaniel, please.
Your Honor, we're going to hear a plea of not guilty. Ask to set them on the April court docket. I believe Ms. Dennis has already been set on the April 10th court docket on drug courts. And I move that either Guy Green or in her case, it may be Mr. Derek Blunt that'll speak to them before their court hearing.
Thank you, Mr. McDaniel. Mr. Toller, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
I wish you the best, sir. Ms. Dennis, any questions?
No, sir.
All right, have a good day, ma'am. We have Ernest Dixon.
Estamos retando por el motivo de trabajo.
We're renting.
Are you working?
¿Está trabajando en este momento?
No, pedí el día para hacer la videollamada, presentarme en la corte.
The answer is, I'm not working right now because I asked for the day off so I could be in court.
Thank you, but are you employed normally?
Tiene, those are the nuances of the translations. It's a good answer. All right. Dice la jueza si tienes un trabajo en este momento en tu vida.
Sí, yo me dedico a construcción, framing de casas.
Yeah, yes, I work in construction, helping build homes. Donde se está quedando usted viviendo porque el abogado va a tratar de comunicarse con usted para empezar a preparar la estrategia de qué es lo que van a hacer con su caso. ¿Está bien?
Oh, sí, me parece perfecto.
Okay, that sounds perfect, Your Honor. Ya puede pasarle el teléfono a su amigo si está ahí.
Oh, muchas gracias.
Yep.
Thank you.
This is your second case, Your Honor.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
good morning.
Mr. Hubble planned it all out, so great job.
Mr. Cruz gets all the credit.
Wow, thank you. Thank you. Are you renting, purchasing the home, or living with others?
¿Está rentando, comprando esa casa o solamente vive con otros?
Rentando.
I'm renting, Your Honor.
And are you working? Are you employed?
I have to say, you learn quick, Your Honor.
Perfect.
¿Está usted en este momento trabajando para alguna compañía o tiene trabajo?
Sí, trabajo en la construcción.
Yes, I work also in construction, Your Honor.
And what is your...
I did. I did. Oh, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome back. And once again, you are... Is that right?
Okay. Can we meet with the attorney, please?
There's really...
Sure.
There's really no need, Your Honor. I've spoken with Mr. Raphael. Unless Mr. Raphael himself wants a breakout session, I really don't think there's any need.
You spoke
Mr.
with
Raphael, can you hear
Did
me?
she call you? Yes. Yes.
Okay, you're
Yes.
appearing for
Albert
arraignment
Valley.
purposes. I'm sorry?
We can't hear you. Valley.
Well, Mr. Rafali, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
you need to turn up the volume on your end.
It took us 45 minutes to get on Zoom, okay? We're using a new device. Yes.
Okay. Well, if you can't hear me, maybe you need to sign
Yeah.
off from this device
Yeah.
and just
Yeah.
sign on in the telephone. How about that?
Yeah. Yeah. You can hear me. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
So you're going to sign off and then sign back on with the telephone, is that right?
We're good. We're good. Yes.
So you can hear us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ms. Misterly, you had opportunity to review allegations on the complaint, nature of the offense, and the possible maximum penalties with Mr. Raffaele.
I have, and we will waive a formal reading misdemeanor complaint, enter pleas of not guilty and request.
We don't know what the charges are, please.
Ma'am, I discussed them with your husband, as I've already told you.
Yes. You discussed it with her? Yes. You know
So
what
in
the
order
charges
to complete a petition for a court-appointed attorney, Mr. Raffaele, I need to place you under oath and ask you some questions. Would you please raise your right hand?
Yes. Yes.
Are you raising your right hand?
Yeah. Yes. 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 Right hand, yeah.
How about your other right hand?
There you go.
And you swear that the information you're about to give me will be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yeah. Did you hear that?
Do you, okay, you're welcome to lower your hand. Mr. Raffaele, what is your phone number?
I
I
have it
don't know.
here. I have it here, Your Honor. It's
Yeah. Yeah.
and I did reach him at that number.
And what is your mailing address?
Yes.
It's box 121, Your Honor.
Mr. Raffaele, do you receive any sort of income or assistance?
Yes. What?
Okay.
What? He's on a VA. He gets VA medical.
And what
Yeah.
kind of income do you have? Are you on Social Security?
Yes.
Do you have any money in a checking account or savings account? Any cash on hand?
No.
So I will appoint an attorney for you. The next step in the process is a pre-trial conference. In the
Would it be
pre-trial
possible?
conference,
Would it be possible to appoint Matisse Johnson, please?
well,
this kind of
I can't,
committee?
I don't make the appointments themselves. We can write a note that Mr. Johnson might have represented Mr. Raffaele in the past, but I can't guarantee it.
Yeah.
So the pretrial conference is going to be scheduled for May 9th. It's at 9:30 a.m. and it's an in-person appearance.
Okay. And May 9th at what?
9:30 a.m.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am, morning appointments are horrible for him because if he's woken up, he will go into a seizure.
Well, we don't do pretrial conferences at any other time. So it has to be at 9:30 in the morning, so maybe he can just
Okay.
prepare and wake up early that morning so that he can be here.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So I'm going to place you on a $5,000 personal recognizance bond with a condition that you may have no threatening, intimidating, harassing, or violent behavior towards any person, that you'll be respectful of all court employees and care providers during the course of your case.
Yes. I don't know that. I don't know that.
What don't you know?
I don't know that. I don't know that.
If he's having a seizure, he has no memory or anything.
Mr.
And a lot
Raphael,
of these are occurring when he has
Oh.
seizures.
Okay.
Mr. Raffaelli, what the magistrate is saying to you is you cannot engage in any assaultive, abusive,
Yeah.
or threatening behavior, okay?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
We still don't know the charge, do we?
Ma'am, I discussed it with your husband. You were not there. I did
Okay.
review every charge with him and the maximum possible penalty along with his rights.
What?
It's, the complaint is a 2-count attempted assault, resist, and obstruct a police officer. And count 3 is an assault and battery.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right, so you'll hear from your court-appointed attorney by the 1st of next week, and you have to make your appearance here at the court at 9:30 a.m. on May 9th. The court will mail you a notice regarding that.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Thank you for your appearance this morning, and thank you for your service, Mr. Raffaelli. And for
Yeah.
right now, then, you are free to
Okay.
leave the meeting.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wow.
You can log off, ma'am.
Yes.
Good luck with that. Do you know how to do that?